Hey guys, what is up? My name is Kash. Like money. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Today's video, we're going to be doing a lash suite room tour or lash room tour. So have you, and then before you get into that, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the glam family. As always guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on the newest content. Let's get into the video. Lash room tour. Let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick lash room tour of my new lash suite. So I'm gonna start over here. This is my Aftercare Kit Station. My lash baths are right here. My certificate is here. We got some decor here. A little bench right there. This is my lash bed, of course, and my lights. This is my lash card right here. I'll walk you over and show you some of the things. So this is something I got. This is a bladeless fan. It's so cool. It has 3 settings. I'll just show you what's on my cart. This isn't officially a lash room tour, but it's just like a mini one because it's not all the way set up how I want it yet, but I'm gonna show you. So this is my wands, my glue, my tape, my glue, my microfiber wands, and my gel pads and my tape. Cotton rounds. I have a little garbage that I got from the dollar store here. Some Paris Lash Academy trays here. Some water, which I didn't put water in here yet. My glasses and a couple lash tiles. Some alcohol. My dirty towels and clean towels because I put towels on top of my clients' heads and when they lay down here. I have my nanometer here, a mirror, pins for lash mapping, my little mirror, my other fan that I used to use before, the bladeless fan. I have a lash tile here. I have my Lashbox LA primer, glue aid, which is important for humidity, my tweezers, and my glue here. So that's that. My storage for my lash trays are here, so I just kind of store them there. Back up lash bath stuff is down here, and extra tiles I have there too. So over here on this little cart here, I made my lash wand holders here for each of my girls, and then these are extra to put on there. I have my setup here for my COVID stuff. So I have my COVID-19 certificate. I have these little hygienic lash wand thingies that I made myself. Some mints for my girls, my COVID forms, and some business cards, which I need to get more of. And then all of these drawers in here are just storage. So like my backup gel pads, backup lash wands, things like that. Backup stuff to make more of my wands like this. And the rest is basically storage. And then I just have a garbage can here. I have some decor here, and I'm gonna show you a pan of the whole room. So it looks like this. And these right here are from IKEA. They're like $1, and I got these stickers from Amazon, and I just put it on there. This little container, I think it's from 5 and Below. This little one is from Marshall's. See, $6. This little marble rose gold tape dispenser is from Amazon. This was from the dollar store. This my grandma got for me here. I got this one, but I barely even use it. But I just have like lash things in there. This was $10. So yeah, this cart, I don't remember, but I think it was like $10, for like $5 or $10. This lash cart is from Michael's. I think it was like $29, but I got a 20% off coupon on it. The decorations came with the suite, so like that came with the suite, that came with the suite, that came with the suite. This cover I got from Amazon. This pillow I got from Amazon. It comes with a light. It turns on here, and then this light turns on here. It's really convenient. I love it. And then it's just got that little light here, and it charges. So yeah, this light came with the suite. It's really easy to adjust, so I like it. It's very convenient. The lash bed is mine, and all the little cart thingies are mine. So that's basically my lash room tour. I really don't have too much. I really don't try to overcomplicate it. I don't need too much. I really do a lot of DIY things myself. I made my COVID forms myself as well. So if you want like a generic link to that, let me know. I'll link it in the description box below. If you want a video seeing how I made these, let me know, because I'll do a video on how I make them and where I get all of the supplies. I get it all from Amazon. But let me know if you want to see a video about those. Let me see if you want a video on these two. It's really easy. You just get straws from anywhere, the dollar store, Party City, Amazon, and you cut them, and then you put them on top of your wands. And it's just a cute little decorative thing to put in your like aftercare kit. So I do that. And yeah, that is my lash room tour. So it's my lash suite. I like this one right here. So that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.